Hello children. Now patterns with numbers. Okay.
तो ये बच्चों ने जो प्यारे प्यारे पैटर्न्स बनाए हैं मैंने इनको भी इसमें इंक्लूड किया है. देखिए मैजेस्टिक्स के पैटर्न्स हैं, अल्फ़ाबेट्स के पैटर्न्स हैं और बहुत ही खूबसूरत पैटर्न्स हैं. सो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट देयर वर्क.
Earlier we had the patterns with the figures like square or dot, lines like that. Now we have this patterns with the numbers. Okay. So as you can see here, it is a string with some patterns in it. I have already told to make these kind of strings with alphabets in your last class, and some students already made it, right? As you can see it. Okay, here it is 1, 2 missing, 3, 4 missing, 5, 6 missing, 7. Next will be, what will be the next one? 8 missing, and it is going to be 9. So this pattern will be finished by the 9 number. Now let's check next one. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. What will be the next one? Good. It is 80. 80. Okay. Now next. Read this with me. 24. Again it is 24, and then something is missing because in pattern there is something missing. Now what is that missing? We have to find out. Okay. So it is going to be 25 and 26. How many numbers are missing here? 2 numbers. So it means, let us check for this next step also. Here also 27 is there. Now which numbers are missing? 28 and 29. 29s are missing. So two numbers are here missing. 2 numbers are missing here. 2 numbers are missing here. Now again this pattern comes in your mind, and you say by 2 missing here. So if it is 2 missing here, then 30 के बाद 2 missing means 31 and 32 missing 33. 2 missing here, 2 missing means 34 or 35, then 36. So again 2 missing means 37, 38 missing, and it is going to be 39. Correct? Now let's come to this particular series. 5. Speak after me. 10. Can you look at this? This is a table of 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 3 ja 15. 5 4 ja 20. 5 5 ja 25. 5 6 ja 30. 5 7 ja 35. 35 missing. So you write here 35. 5 8 ja 40. Next 5 9 ja 45. 2 numbers are missing. You have to make the number here. 5 10 ja 50. 5 11 ja 55. So these 3 numbers should be incorporated in this particular series. Next. Okay. So now this is something. Okay, it is a frog. Naughty frog. Can you see this? It is a naughty frog. He is playing on this particular number tape. He is playing on this particular number tape, or he is jumping. Okay. So you also like to jump? Yes? Okay. So he started jumping and he is taking 3 numbers in one jump. 3 numbers in one jump. So first he jumped on 3, then he jumped on 6. So what is this? This is 3's table. Okay. So 3's jumps. 3's jump is nothing but the 3's table. Right? So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 9 ja 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24. So this is the final jump. Right? So it is 3's table, or you can say 3 skip counting, or you can say 3 skip counting, or 3's table, or you can say 3's multiple. 3 terms are there. 3 skip counting, 3's table, or 3 multiple. Repeat this word, multiple. Multiple. So it is going to be this way. You have to draw the jumps line. Again I am doing it for you. You can see it. 3 1 ja 3. Okay, start making in your book. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. 3 6 ja 18. 3 7 ja 21. 3 8 ja 24. Now, next. Okay, so these are the stone. Okay, in the water, in the river. Again, the frog is enjoying this. Okay, so now he is skipping 10 plus. Earlier it was doing 3 plus. Earlier it was doing 3 plus. Now it is jumping 10 plus. Earlier it was jumping 3 plus. Now it is jumping 10 plus. Right? So it is, the number is here. It is 28. And if you want to plus 10 here, so what will be the next previous number? किस में आप 10 प्लस करोगे कि 28 आए? यानी 10 प्लस का मतलब हो गया कौन सी पोजीशन के नंबर बदल रहे हैं? ये वाले नंबर 10th प्लेस के. 10th प्लेस के बदलने हैं आपको. 10th प्लेस के. सिंपल. टेक इट इजी. बहुत इजी है. 10th प्लेस का नंबर बदलना है और 1st प्लस का क्या रहेगा आपका? सेम रहेगा. दिमाग बिल्कुल टेंशन में नहीं लेना. कौन सा नंबर बदलना है? 10th प्लेस का, क्योंकि 10 प्लस हो रहा है. वेरी इजी. तो 10th प्लेस पे अगर यहाँ पे 2 है तो इससे पहले क्या होगा? 1. अगर यहाँ पे 3 है तो इसके बाद क्या होगा? 4. 10th प्लेस. और 1st प्लेस पे अभी मैंने क्या बताया आपको? सब जगह क्या आ जाएगा? बोलो बोलो. सब जगह आ जाएगा 8. सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी, द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 10th प्लेस 1 एंड देन 1 की जगह आपने सिंपल 8 लिख दिया. अब ये दिस एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट 4th वन. 10th के प्लस पे 4. देन आफ्टर दिस 10th के प्लेस पे 5. 10th के प्लेस पे 6. 10th के प्लेस पे 7. एंड द 1st प्लेस 1 का जो नंबर है वो फिक्स्ड है. इट इज सेम. विच नंबर इट इज? इट इज 8. इट इज 8. It is 8. It is 8. Is it clear? Since this is doing 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus, The number will be changed at tens place. The number will change at tens place. Children, mind it. अभी से आपको प्लेस का ज्ञान होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये 2 डिजिट का नंबर है, इसमें 2 प्लेसेस हैं, 2 प्लेसेस. इधर वाले को राइट में है वंस और लेफ्ट में है टेंस. सो ये चीज़ आपको शुरू से दिमाग में रखनी है. वंस प्लेस टेंस प्लेस, 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 वंस प्लेस टेंस प्लेस. क्योंकि +10 था तो हमें पता चला हमारे तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ टेंस प्लेस की वैल्यूज़ बदलेंगी. पीछे है तो -1 हो जाएगा, आगे है तो +1 हो जाएगा. पीछे था तो ये -1 हुआ तो यहाँ पे 2 का -1 हो गया 1. यहाँ का चाहिए, ये आगे आ रहा है, नेक्स्ट नंबर है, सो इस यहाँ पे हो गया +1. तो 3 में से +1 हो गया तो 4 आ गया, इसमें +1 हो गया तो 5 हो गया, इसमें +1 हो गया तो 6 हो गया, इसमें +1 हो गया तो 7 हो गया. वंस की वैल्यू फिक्स्ड है तो वंस एज इट इज 8 सब जगह लग जाएगा. आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर. नाउ लेट्स मूव द नेक्स्ट वन. Okay, so here you have got the page with some series, and you must be aware now how to fill these series, right? Okay, let us start. A, B, B, C, C. So next will be D, D, then D, D, E, E, and so on. Okay, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, like this. Mind it, these are the capital, you have to put the capital letter. If those are smaller, you have to put the smaller one. So capital and the duplicate doubling of each alphabet. Simple order, कोई मिसिंग नहीं है बीच का, सिंपल ऑर्डर है. और स्टार्ट करा है ए से तो नेचुरली वो आगे कंटिन्यू होगा इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ABCDEF. रीड करेंगे तो आपको इजी रहेगा. रीड करना ज़रूरी है. रीड द सीरीज. रीडिंग इज मस्ट हियर. You have to read the series. Read and speak loudly the series. So it is easier to find out the next number if you are reading it. Okay. So now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Right? I'm not now filling it. I'm just giving you the hint. You can do it in your books. Okay. A, B. Speak after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now next one. Day, night. Day, night. Day, night. Day, night. Next. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Next. See, now these are numbers you have to calculate here. How many missing and how many you are plusing or minusing it. Doing the minus or plus. Okay, adding or subtracting. So, next. 87, 88, 89. If you read it, you will find the answer. 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 19, 29, 39. So, the change is occurring on the tens place. जैसे frog ने tens place को change किया था. So, it is going to be 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89. Next. 2, 5, 8. Obviously some missing numbers are there in between because it is not a continuous series. So missing number are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two numbers are missing. So you got it from this 3 numbers. You have assessed how many missing? How many missing? 2 numbers. You have to miss 2 numbers, right? These numbers are in a whichever order you can access yourself, understand yourself, and you can fill these columns. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to do it in a homework. One row is little bit different. I am telling you this: 5P, 6Q, and 7R. Here number and alphabet both are making patterns. So you can say 5P, 6Q, 7R, 8S. Right? 8S, then 9T, like this. You can continue this. Next. Now come here. These are the leaf patterns. Leaf patterns is very easy, as you can see here. This kind of leaf, this kind of leaf, this kind of leaf, this kind of leaf, this kind of leaf. You have this way, you have to make. These are the sari border. You can say this way. It is sari borders. Okay, so these patterns you make in your drawing copies whenever you find it. So Ketu has made some patterns by collecting leaves. Right? Now you also collect some leaves and arrange them in different patterns. Also draw a pattern using matchsticks. So this I have already done with matchsticks. You can paste here leaves to make some patterns. So whichever way it is suitable for you, you can do it. So children, it is the end of this lesson of pattern. Pattern is nothing but the repetition of something. Repetition of some patterns, repetition of some unit which is done again and again. It is repetition of something is called the pattern. So pattern is finished. Now we will start the next lesson.